Hello. This is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the realm of PC cooling with our guide to the best CPU air coolers. Whether you're a seasoned gamer, a content creator, or a PC enthusiast, finding the perfect cooling solution is essential for optimal performance. Join us as we explore the top air coolers on the market, ensuring your rig stays cool under pressure. Let's get started. Number 1. Be Quiet. PureRock 2150W TDP CPU Cooler. This cooler is a game changer for anyone seeking top-notch performance and silent operation. With compatibility for Intel 1700, 1200, 2066, 1150, 1151, 1155, 2011-3, and AMD AM4 sockets, it covers a wide range of desktop setups. The sleek black design adds a touch of style to any build. What sets it apart is its exceptional cooling capability, efficiently handling up to 150W TDP. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the square ILM design for Intel CPUs. Plus, its low-noise operation ensures a peaceful computing experience, even under heavy workloads. If you're serious about keeping your CPU cool and quiet, the Be Quiet PureRock 2 is an excellent choice. Number 2. Vetru V5 CPU Air Cooler. This powerhouse cooler features 5 heat pipes and a 120mm PWM fan to keep your Intel LGA 1700 divided by 1200 divided by 115X or AMD AM5/AM4 processor running cool under pressure. The sleek black design adds a touch of sophistication to any build, while the addressable RGB lights sync effortlessly with your setup for stunning visual effects. Installation is a breeze, and the performance speaks for itself. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to smooth, reliable operation. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or PC enthusiast, the Vetru V5 is a must-have addition to your rig. Keep your system cool and your performance hot with the Vetru V5 CPU air cooler. Number 3. Deepcool AK 620 CPU air cooler is a game changer for serious gamers and PC enthusiasts. With its high-performance 260W TDP rating and innovative design featuring 6 copper heat pipes and dual-tower configuration, this cooler delivers exceptional thermal management. The included 120mm PWM fans, spinning at 1850 RPM and pushing 68.99 CFM, ensure efficient cooling even under heavy loads. Compatible with Intel LGA 1700/1200/1151/1150/1155 and AMD AM5/AM4 sockets, installation is a breeze. The build quality is top-notch, with sturdy construction and reliable performance. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to smooth, uninterrupted gaming sessions with the Deepcool AK 620 CPU air cooler. At $68.99, it's a steal for the level of performance it offers. Number 4. Scyth Fuma 3 CPU Air Cooler, a game changer for PC enthusiasts. With its sleek design and superior cooling capabilities, this cooler is a must-have for Intel LGA 1700, LGA 1151, and AMD AM5/Ryzen systems. The dual-tower configuration and 120mm fans ensure efficient heat dissipation, keeping your CPU running smoothly even under heavy loads. The black top cover adds a touch of elegance to your rig, while the easy installation process makes setup a breeze. Say goodbye to overheating and hello to optimal performance with the Scyth Fuma 3. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a professional content creator, this cooler delivers on all fronts. Don't settle for mediocre cooling solutions, invest in the Scyth Fuma 3 and take your PC experience to the next level. Number 5. Cooling ZC225 XT Black CPU Cooler is an absolute game changer. With its innovative design featuring 5 heat pipes and dual 120mm PWM fans in a push-pull configuration, this cooler delivers exceptional cooling performance for both Intel and AMD processors, including LGA 1700 compatibility. The installation process was a breeze, thanks to the clear instructions and hassle-free mounting system. Not only does it keep my CPU running at optimal temperatures even under heavy loads, but it also does so quietly, ensuring a peaceful computing experience. The sleek black design adds a touch of style to my build, making it a perfect choice for both performance enthusiasts and gamers alike. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient CPU cooler that won't break the bank, the Cooling ZC225 XT Black CPU Cooler is definitely worth considering. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best cheap CPU air cooler, it's important to consider factors like performance, noise levels, and compatibility with your system. After reviewing various options, we've highlighted some top contenders that offer great value without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video helps you make an informed decision for your cooling needs.